Hello, this is Jack from Soho Launch, and in this video I'm going to go over setting up the settings in the template manager. And I'm logged into the dashboard now, as you can see on the screen. And the template manager is near the bottom of the left column under Global Settings down here. So I'll click this template manager link. The home page of the template manager really just shows the current template that you have, and also this drop-down menu. And if you click that drop-down menu, you can select from the variety of templates that we have built into Soho Launch Ultra. But I'm going to stick with the template I already have, just for convenience sake. And along this right side of the template that you select, you'll see all the features that come along with this template. So you can either click one of these links to go to those settings, but the settings tab along the top will take you directly to the settings that are associated with the template. And the first thing you'll see is that you can set up the website title and the website slogan. And generally for the template, the title shows up in the header, and it's really the title of your site or company or home office, whatever you'd like your title to be. So I'm going to make this site just about the news for Soho Launch. I'm going to just say Soho Launch News. The slogan text is really secondary text that shows up along the title. But I'm not going to have any slogan text in this sample, so I'm going to go ahead and save my settings. And I'm going to move on to the next option, which is really the logo image. And this can be any image you want. Generally, you want it to be sized a little bit smaller because it has only such a large area in the template. But I've already uploaded one and optimized it size-wise, so I'm going to go ahead and click the drop-down and select that logo that I have, and then I'll save the change. And I'm not going to show you how it appears on the website yet. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the website at the very end of setting all these settings. So the next thing you can set up is the business information. Most of the templates support business information, and usually they put the business information in the footer, or there's other special instances in the template where it may show the business information. So it really depends. But I don't think this template supports business information, but you can fill this out if you want to. All the fields are optional. You don't have to fill everything out. The next thing you can do is select the template for mobile devices. And Soho Launch Ultra can detect what kind of device your site visitors are viewing the site from. And it's generally a good idea to have a special template for mobile devices. To set that template, you can either use the normal template that the rest of your site uses, or what we really recommend is using one of these responsive templates. These are really designed to look good on mobile devices. I selected the responsive template, the vertical foundation template, so I'm going to select save. And so now when the visitor views the site from an iPhone or iPad or something like that, this responsive template will show instead of your standard desktop template. So last thing you can configure is the fave icon. And if you don't know what a fave icon is, it's really just a really small image that shows up in the browser tabs. So the general size that you should use is either 16 by 16 pixels or 32 by 32 pixels. And one thing you want to keep in mind with fave icons is that since they're so small, they don't really show up well with a lot of detail and designs. So you really want kind of a minimum picture without a lot going on. So I'll go ahead and browse to the fave icon that I have on my desktop. And I already have one shrunk down to 32 by 32 pixels. So I'll go ahead and upload that one. And then I can select it from the drop down. And you'll see that it's right here. And I'll save my changes. So now I'm going to go ahead and view the live website so we can review what we did. So the first thing you'll notice is our logo image. This is what we configured under the logo image area. And the website title shows up here in the header, which is called Soho Launch News. You'll also see in the browser tab that my Soho Launch hand fave icon has shown up. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you again next time.